place I've never really been to before, and it stinks of money. Wow, lovely money. Like, they've used this money to make a nice stink, but wow. And it all seems like Americans. This is very... I feel like I'm in America just now. This is a beautifully maintained area. On a sunny day, sunny, dry, warm day, I feel like I'm in a completely different country. Very cool. Yeah, if you're into golf and you've got loads of cash, yeah, Gleneagles is the place to go. Oh, this is stunning. Absolutely stunning right here. It's the place where you drop off your bags, it seems. Get all your stuff. Get your little golf carts. Oh, I just went about the wrong way. Oops. Bad me. Gleneagles, I think, is going to be the home, well, and St Andrews, I thought, home of golf. But wow, serious dosh around here. This puts the Renaissance Club in the other one to shame, I think. Shop. Now let's fuck off. Fuck this place. Whew. What is that smell? That smell is cold hard cash. I'm gonna go for a little bit more of an adventure actually. Okay, so let's see if we can annoy a few golfers here.